If you have marked something as junk, then future emails from the same address will then go to the spam section or the junk section right here. But let's say you want to go around and remove it out of the junk or spam. In that case, all you need to do is you need to right click on that particular email right here and then mark it out right here as not junk right here. And once you do that, it moves on back to your inbox. Over here, you can also see the mails that are marked as junk right here by using, you can see under the fire icon right here. Click on this right here and then it is rinsed out by the spam status. If I were to go around and right click right here, then you can go around over here onto mark right here and mark it as not junk just like this, and it'll simply be moved out of junk. Even if there are mails in the junk section right here, simply go around over here and then let's say for example mark it out and just simply mark it out as not junk, and it'll be moved out onto the main inbox section just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and remove emails out of junk inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.